Hi, Assalamualaikum and hello. My name is Nurul Shaliana binti Maktar. I am currently pursuing a Bachelor of Technology with Education in Civil Engineering at University Technology Malaysia with a CGPA of 3.83. I am dedicated and motivated individual with a strong passion for both civil engineering and education. I began my journey at Polytechnic Ungku Omar with a diploma in civil engineering, and I aim to become an educator who is also industry ready. Through my study, I have good solid knowledge in construction materials, hydraulics, highway engineering, surveying, and so on. I am proficient in Microsoft Office and Canva, and also experienced with AutoCAD and Revit. I complete my internship at the Kuala Krai District Council and Sri Pekala Binaan SDN PhD. I gain experience in development applications, customer defect handling, and site coordination. I also have classroom teaching exposure through my industry practical. I have been involved in community and leadership programs such as Felda Adopt Child, Pick and Protect Project, and Hike to the Top. And I have complete CIDP certificate BIM courses. I really looking forward to contributing to a dynamic team. So thank you for watching my video. Bye.